India surpassed their best ever medal tally of Paralympics. India has already won 6 medals in 2021 edition of the Paralympics, including a gold in just the first 6 days. India have been competing in Paralympics since 1968 and this time they broke all the records. Hello everyone, I am Radhika and to discuss India's journey in the Paralympics, I have with me senior sports journalist Abhijit Singh. Hello Abhijit, welcome.
Thank you, Radhika. Thanks a lot.
Abhijit, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Nice. Abhijit, what do you think? How have the journey been for us in the Paralympics?
Well, Radhika, you just summed it up very nicely. I'm like, we are just in the first week and we
Yes.
have 6 reasons to celebrate, or rather 6 medals already in the bag, and much more to look forward to. But the kind of start which we have got in this season, I'm like, it is just carrying on the momentum from where Neeraj Chopra left, and like we already have a gold, we have a silver, we have a
Right.
bronze. So clearly there is a lot more to look forward to, and we're pretty happy but not content. Not content, I beg your pardon, at the same time, because this contingent has it in them to not just have the biggest medal tally ever. And if we take a look at the golden girl now, Avni Lekra, in women's 10-meter air rifle shot, so clearly the standout point at this point of time. And also silver coming in from Bhavina Ben Patel from table tennis, the one who started it all. Then you have Nishad Kumar in high jump, Yogesh Khatunia in discus throw, and Devendra Jajaria, the gold medalist last time in Rio,
Right.
this time had to settle with a silver.
Exactly. Abhijit, we had 7 medals, but 1 medal was on hold.
Yeah.
And it's now cleared that we are on the 6th number, like on 6 medals we have.
Yeah.
1 medal, Vinod Kumar, the medal has been medal is not cleared because
Yeah.
of some clarification on his disability. So 6, but still I think we have a lot more way to go. Abhijit, let's talk more about the golden girl right now, I
Yeah.
guess, right? Avni, what do you think about her?
Clearly, if you see the background, I mean, like there are so wonderful stories
Yeah.
behind every medal, the kind of work that they put in, and Avni Lekra is no mean feat, claiming a gold in 10-meter air rifle, and that too, if you see at her history, she became differently able when she was just 11 or 12, all because of a car accident back home in Rajasthan, and clearly has now equaled the world record, 149.6 to 49.6 overall with her Paralympics record. That's clearly says a lot about the grit and determination she has shown, and clearly to win a gold, like be it Olympics, be it Paralympics, it has to be commended, and we need to celebrate her victory.
Right. She is our golden girl, and let's talk about our silver girl, actually Bhavina,
Yeah.
who opened the account for us. What do you have to say about her?
Bhavina Ben Patel, well, it's a very interesting story. She hails from Mehsana in Gujarat. It's a beautiful place, and she had a lot of interest in first in sports in general, and also she knew that she has it in her to make it to the next level. And also, if you see the kind of she idolizes
Right.
Sachin Tendulkar. I'm like, there's no bigger icon than the great man himself. But there's a little interesting story in the last time when she wasn't able to make it to 2016 because of some federation issues. But that didn't deter her. That didn't kept her down. In fact, it motivated her to bring
Right.
her best. And in 5 years' time, if someone is getting you a silver medal, I'm like, clearly all kudos to her.
Right. Abhijit, you just mentioned Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar called Bhavina to have a word with her, and News 9 also got an opportunity to talk to Bhavina.
Okay.
Let's just hear what she has to say about her glory.
Bhavina ji, first of all, congratulations, many congratulations for winning India's first medal at Paralympics. How does it feel for you? How does it feel for you?
अ, बहुत ही खुशी का माहौल है, बहुत ही खुशी महसूस हो रही है, बहुत ही प्राउड फील हो रहा है, तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है अभी तो।
जी भविना जी, एक और चीज हमने सुना है कि आप सचिन तेंदुलकर से बहुत इंस्पायर हैं, तो थोड़ा सा बताइए, और उनसे मिलना चाहेंगे आप? जी बताइए
ऑफ
सचिन।
कोर्स मैंने कल रात को ही उनसे बात की है, उनका कॉल आया था, उन्होंने अपना पर्सनल नंबर शेयर किया है मेरे से, और मैं मतलब बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उनको मिलने के लिए। वो मतलब पता नहीं मुझे कब मिलेंगे, लेकिन आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट हिम।
And he has been your inspiration throughout.
यस।
So this was Bhavina talking to News 9. I think we all are very much happy what she has done for our country and for all the other athletes who aspire to do something. Abhijit, we still have a long way to go. Not a long way to go, but yes, we do have a week to go. What do you think and what do you expect from our players?
Before I go there, I just wanted to tell the audience about the kind of journey Bhavina Ben Patel had.
Yeah, sure.
Because she defeated the gold medalist from Rio and on her way to a silver medal, and also facing world number 1 and in the finals, or she has even defeated her as well. So clearly, the road to the glory hasn't been easy, but at the end of the day, it's a silver. And I was reading a tweet somewhere that the one who reaches a place or a milestone first is the one who is remembered. We remember Devendra Jajaria, we remember Mariappan and all because of the feats they have achieved. But at the end of the day, like I said, she has been through a lot, and this just tells you about the kind of determination she has shown. And also, if you see the more medals in the offering, the question which you have posted, there's also, like I said, Mariappan, again, high jump, a gold medalist last time around, and Manish Narwal and Pramod Bhagat. So clearly, at the end, we were expecting close to 15 medals. We are not even halfway there, Radhika. And considering that we still have over a week time left in the games, we should be entering double digits, which is way better than what we managed at Tokyo Olympics.
Right, Abhijit, you mentioned these players. Obviously, we have these in the lines, but there are also other players from we are expecting the glory, and hopefully, we are going to break all the records this time.
Absolutely.
Right? Thank you so much, Abhijit, for your time. It was a fun conversation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Paralympics is still not over. We still have a week to go, and our athletes are in their best form, and all they want is to bring back glory for our country. That's all in for today. For more updates, keep watching News 9.